What's up guys, Chris here. I realize it's been about a year since I've uploaded a video, and the reason for that is because I started a business, Orangeworks Design Company, doing prototyping, small production run, design type work for people, in addition to my full-time job. So it's been a bit busy around here to get YouTube videos done, but I bought a Tormach. It's been helping me out a lot. It's doing some things that the DIY machine just can't take care of. Things like the metal for the most part, wood plastics, those kind of things I still do on the DIY machine. But yeah, if you want to check out what I've been doing, I'll put a link down to the website below. So yeah, with all that going on, I haven't really had time to do YouTube videos, but about a month ago, I quit my job to do this full time, and I think I'm about able to start getting into the YouTube videos again. I have to be a little bit careful because the business has to take priority over doing the fun YouTube stuff, but that's what it takes to pay the bills. Speaking of, I had turned off Patreon because I hadn't been making videos and didn't want to keep taking people's money if I wasn't producing anything. But let me know down in the comments if you think I should start that up again. That kind of support makes it a whole lot easier to spend more time on the fun YouTube stuff as opposed to day-to-day business. So hopefully I can get back to making videos here pretty soon. I've been going to local auctions and picking up some things, one of which is this vacuum pump here. I've got a particular project that I want to do with that, and a 3 horsepower 3-phase motor with a gear reducer, which I've got an idea for that one as well. But just all kinds of things that I'd like to get back into on YouTube. But yeah, I guess that's it for now. Stay tuned. Hopefully I'll have some videos out soon. In the meantime, you can follow me on Instagram if you have it, just at Christy Prisco. I'll put a link to that down in the description as well. So yeah, until next time, take it easy.